Good afternoon, my dear friends. Myself, Professor M. Chennaya, and in today's video, we are going to study about the projection of a pentagonal pyramid, which is going to rest on one of its slant edges on VP. So, very obviously, when I say it has to rest on one of the slant edges, I should first of all place the object on HP such that one of the five slant edges is to the right side of the observer, or one of the edge opposite to that corner is perpendicular to VP. Obtain the top and front views to start with. So friends, I will draw the top view of the pyramid, that is a pentagon, a regular pentagon of side equal to 30 millimeter. This is how we get this. So we have a regular pentagon of side 30 mm, and we will call these corners or name these corners as A, B, C, D and E. So this is the base of the pyramid in the top view. Because in the top view you see, you will be able to see all these five slant edges, OA, OB, OC, etc. So friends, I bisect any two adjacent sides of this pentagon and obtain the so-called the center of the base. So friends, this is O, the center of the base, and I am going to join this O to all the five corners, that is O to A, O to B, O to D, then O to C, O to E. So this is our point O. O is the top view of the vertex, and we will have O1, the center of the base. This is the complete top view of the pyramid when it is resting on its base and HP. Friends, let us produce lines from all these corners A, B, C, D, E, etc. Obtain the corresponding base in the front view. So this is the point A dash along with B dash will also be there. This C and D will lie on this line. So this is C dash comma E dash. The last line is D. So friends, you draw a vertical line from there and you are going to get all these 5 points A, B, C, E and D dash. So friends, we have the vertex here. So from the vertex in the top you draw a vertical line and mark on this line a height of 60 millimeter given in the question, the height of the pyramid. So I'll just mark this distance as 60 mm. 60 millimeter is the height of the pyramid, and this is O dash. O dash represents the front view of the vertex. So we'll join O dash to all the corners. So friends, we'll join O dash to A dash, O dash to B dash, O dash to C dash, O dash to E dash and O dash to D dash. Friends, this is the front view of the pyramid, and here this line axis is perpendicular to HP. Now the object is resting on the base and HP, and in the front view the line O dash D dash represents one of the slant edges. There are 5 slant edges. It is one of the slant edges of the pyramid. Now friends, this is O1 dash, the center of the base. Now, to make it to rest on this slant edge, suppose you are taking this as the slant edge, this as a slant edge. Now, I have placed like this. I have got the top view and front view, and the last line here represents one of the slant edge. What I do, I just rotate such that this becomes vertical in the next view in figure number 2. And afterwards, we are going to bring that in contact with VP. So what I do now, whatever this slant edge you have got here now, I am going to redraw it here. So friends, I will take this height or the length of this O dash D dash, write a line from there. So this line is having a length equal to, this has got a length equal to O dash D dash. So I will mark it as O dash here. This is our D dash. This length is the same as this. So this point is D dash. And friends, when you have this length of this, length of this, and length of this, that is, we know the lengths of all the three sides of the triangle O dash, B dash, A dash, D dash. I have already marked this. Now I will take D dash as center. Radius equal to this width of the base. I will just draw an arc here. Similarly, I take O dash as center and radius equal to this length, O dash, A dash, B dash. I just draw another arc here, and these two arcs, friends, meet at a common point, and I will call that point as B dash A dash or A dash B dash. So this is A dash B dash, and this is D dash. Then next to D dash you got C dash B dash, C dash E dash, and we have got the axis which is perpendicular to the base. And friends, here this is O1 dash. So we have got to join this O to C and E by a full line. So we have shown this figure number 1 as figure number 2, in which this OD is normal to HP, normal to XY. Now friends, this is how I am keeping. This is the pyramid you have got. I am making the one of the edges to become vertical. Next friends, let us see how does the top view look for this. Friends, we will start from this point, corners one by one, and obtain the complete base of the solid. So friends, let us start from A. Draw a vertical line from a horizontal line from here. This point is A. Draw a vertical line from B dash, a horizontal line from here. The point of intersection will give you the point B. So we have got one of the edges. Then friends, on this we have got C and E. Write a vertical line from here, horizontal line from C and E. So this is point E and this is point C. So we have got four corners, A, B, C and E. D I should get. Draw a vertical line from D dash, a horizontal line from here. The point where those two intersect is our point D. This is D. Friends, O let us see. O is the front view of the vertex. Draw a vertical line from O dash, a horizontal line from O. They meet at the same point. So this is D comma O. Friends, we have got all the five corners and also the vertex in the top view. Let us join this O to all the corners. So let me join. See here, when you look from the top, OA and OB are visible. So OA I am going to join by a full line, OB also by a full line. Then friend, I should join A to E and I should join this AB, A to B, B to C, C to D and D to E. Friends, I have joined all the corners in the top view to the vertex O. This is our O1 and this is O. Friends, if you just look at this figure, the vertex O is joined to A, joined to B, joined to C, joined to D and joined to E. Now friends, if you see here, this line O dash D dash is seen as a point in the top view. So O dash D dash is seen as a point in the top view. That is to say, whenever any line is vertical, the top view is seen as a point. So here, this O dash D dash is the slant edge. As you have written here, it is a slant edge that is perpendicular to HP as shown by this 90 degree. Friends, this is the corresponding top view for that. Now, what we want to do is, we want to place this pyramid on VP on one of the slant edges. So, I have to rotate this to 90 degree such that OD representing one of the slant edges comes on this XY line. So, somewhere here, I am going to mark this as O comma D. From OD, I take this measurement of AB. So I can just write a vertical line from there. And here, I can get this AB. So all this measurement can be taken directly from here. This is O1. So AB I have taken. Then friends, we can draw another line parallel to that and obtain CE. Friend, this is AB, this is C, this is B, and this is E. And I have to join this O to A, O to B, O to A, O to B, O to A, O to B, O to E, O to C, then E to A, all these. Because whatever the figure I am writing here is the photocopy of this figure. Friends, you got this O1 here. So this is O1. This will give you the axis of the solid. So what is that we have done? This OD, the slant edge is here. It is seen as a point here because it is perpendicular to HP. And as per the problem, the slant edge, see the corner containing the slant edge. The slant edge is OD or O dash D dash. The corner containing that is D dash. The D dash is here, but it has to be on XY because it has to be on the line of intersection of HP and VP. That is nothing but our XY. So we have completely written the final top view of the figure. Friends, let us obtain the corresponding front view for this. Friends, let us start from any one of these points A, B, C, etc. Okay, on this line A dash B dash drawn horizontal, the points A and B will lie. So I will write a vertical line from a horizontal line from here. The point where those two intersect is our point A dash. On the same line, write a horizontal from B dash, a vertical from B. Friends, this will become the point of intersection and this will give you the point B dash. You have got A dash, you have got B dash. Then on this line through C and E, write a horizontal line through this. So a horizontal line drawn through C dash and a vertical line drawn through this C. They meet at this point. So I will call this point as C dash. C dash is the third corner. Then similarly on the same line you should get E. So draw a vertical line from here, a horizontal line from this E dash. They meet here and this gap will be exactly identical. So friends, you have got A dash, B dash, C dash and this is E dash. So finally D. Draw a horizontal line through D dash, a vertical line through this. They meet here. So this is going to be our point O or O dash here. O dash. Friends, I should join all these points. So first of all, the base we will join. So base is O to C, O to E, B to C, A to E, A to B. And friends, we have to obtain the vertex of the solid. Vertex is O dash. Draw a horizontal line through O dash, a vertical line through this. They meet at a common point. These two meet at a common point. So this is going to be the vertex of the object. This is our O. O dash you say. O dash is the vertex. And friends, we will join this O dash to A dash, B dash, O dash to A dash, O dash to B dash, O dash to this C and E, O dash to C, O dash to E. And friends, when you are joining O dash to D dash, you know very well that slant edge is on VP. When it is on VP, you will not be able to see O dash D dash in the front view because that is covered by this solid, and hence I show this by a dotted line. A dotted line indicates an invisible line. Friends, this is how we get the final front view of the solid. This is the top view we have got, and let us verify whether the solution we have got is satisfying the requirements of the question. So it's a pentagonal pyramid. We have the pentagonal pyramid having side 30. This AB is again 30 here, you should remember. And friends, O dash D dash is one of the slant edge that is at an angle to HP that we have made perpendicular to HP. This is the top we have got. O dash D dash is perpendicular to HP because it is seen as a point OD in the top view. Now friends, this D of the triangular face or the slant edge OD is one of the corner of that base. So that has to be on HP. So I have drawn this figure, say number figure 3 is redrawn as figure number 4 with this point OD on the XY. That's the line of intersection of HP and VP. And we have got the corresponding front view. And in the front view, we have shown this slant edge O dash D dash as invisible line because it is not seen, it cannot be seen in the front view since the object is opaque. Friends, I hope you are happy with the presentation on this pentagonal pyramid resting on one of its slant edges on VP. Friends, if you are happy with the presentation I have made, please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so far and share this information with all your friends. Have a wonderful day.